Here's how to use Welltory app. First is, after downloading, you will see the Sync My Health data. Now click on that. Afterwards, you have to turn on the notification options from your health data so that you will be informed your Welltory app notification. Now click on Allow options and then afterwards, wait for a few seconds and then you will see there the agreements. Now click on I confirm my agreement for the terms of use and condition. Now wait for a few seconds because Welltory app is analyzing your health data. And then afterwards, you need to answer the following questions that is needed so that the Welltory app can go ahead and create your personal profile to their application. Now, after answering all the questions, wait for a few seconds once again, and then you have to sensor using your camera so that you can go ahead and completely set up your profile. And that is how you use Welltory.